Today we're at Cambria at Spring Mountain Ranch. So right behind us we have these beautiful brand new homes. All right, Eddie, we're at your favorite model now, man. We're here. Tell us a little bit about the single story home.
Okay, so this is 1,771 square feet. The reason I like it is because of price point. It starts at $604, and just the layout of it. It's 3 bedrooms that could be converted into 4 bedrooms.
Yeah.
I just think it's that bang for your buck. Makes total sense. The layout, you still have an open floor plan. It's just great overall. Let's check it out.
Yeah, and plus you got like 10 families probably buying this house.
Yes. I mean, just from walking in, look at the spacious entrance. The hallway, it's not too tight.
No, it doesn't. It feels like a big home. So it is single story, right? We have this extra space that you talked about.
Right. So, okay, it's 1,771 square feet. So it's not 3,000, it's not 2,000 square feet. But I mean, to me, it feels spacious.
Yeah.
The way it's opened up. You still have a good sized island. Good layout of the kitchen, fridge on the side, and then, so this is what could be your 4th bedroom, but it comes as a den. So I mean, just look how big this is.
Yeah, because this is a lot of space here, man. Like, my wife will love this. Again, I know we talk about it a lot on our videos, but having the kids in this area and caging them up, right?
And then you still have the living room.
You still have the living room. She can do whatever she needs to do in the kitchen because she loves to cook and all of that, so. Yeah,
so for me, the way I like to take it in is you have your living room, but then you have a dining table, right? And you still have that separation where you can walk through. That's when it tells me that it's a good, decent layout, that they planned it out right. And then washer and dryer are over here off to the side. You have some cabinet, but it's actually still big and spacious.
Yeah, for the size, man. This is, I mean, walking in, this is kind of like a blind reaction for me because I know
you haven't been in here, right?
Yeah, I haven't been in here. I know you help a lot of families get into these. Like this one, like it has probably for single family been one of my favorite layouts that we've seen. Yeah,
I mean, for me, it's always the hands down. When I bring people here and I get the same reaction from everybody, who's like, man, for the price, like this is it. You get decent sized backyards, and of course, you know, we're talking about being in Riverside.
Yeah.
So in the front, you have 2 bedrooms and a bath. And then, like I said, this could be converted into I have a client actually that bought this one. And what they said was even, hey, you know, when the kids get a little older, they have 3. 2 of them still sleep together. When they need to, they can just close this off. Kind of the same plans that are there if it is a 4 conversion. Let's check out the master.
Go ahead, after you, sir. All right. Yeah, I can dig this, man.
So still a good size. Right, we have a walk-in closet on that side, and then our bathroom over here hangs around.
Man, this is a good size master, bro.
So, I mean, not crazy huge, right? Like a 3,000 square foot home, but I mean, for the size of what it is, I mean, this, you don't need anything else.
Yeah, this is like a bedroom.
For sure. And then you say you don't have the tub here, it opens it up even more.
Yep.
Right?
Yeah, so we're not going to show you guys the back because it's going to kind of look like the other one that we just looked at. But I do want to just give you a sneak peek of like when you walk in, like, hey, you have those 2 first bedrooms and that restroom. So at least you know what it looks like right when you walk in. I love this area, man.
You really got to take this width in too, because a lot of the widths will be a lot more narrow.
I'm a big boy too, and I feel like I can Euro step in here, bro.
Freely coming in here.
Ray's like that Euro step, huh? Look at this, guys. Okay, so decent rooms. Take a quick little peek of the bedrooms and then show them the restroom real quick. All right, guys, so we're gonna throw you guys for a loop right now. Right, so we've been showing you guys these models. We showed you 2. We do have a 3rd model, but we're gonna have our partners Jeffrey and Ray show you the 3rd one, and they can close this out for us. Let's go check it out.
Let's go.
All right, Ray.